Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best cargo pants for men out there. The Wrangler Authentics Men's Relaxed Fit Stretch Cargo Pant in the Elmwood color, size 32WX30L. These aren't your average work pants, they combine durability, functionality, and comfort in a way that makes them stand out from the crowd. Right off the bat, these pants come in a relaxed fit, which means they sit comfortably at your natural waist and offer more room through the seat and thigh. That's a huge plus if you're moving around a lot during the day, whether it's for work, outdoor tasks, or just casual errands. The material blend is 98% cotton and 2% spandex, which makes them soft yet stretchy. That stretch twill fabric adds a surprising amount of flexibility, giving you freedom of movement without feeling restricted. Now, let's talk style and practicality. The color, Elmwood, is a versatile neutral tone that pairs easily with just about any shirt, jacket, or boots you have in your wardrobe. But what really takes the spotlight are the features built into the pants themselves. There are 6 pockets. Yes, 6. 2 cargo flap pockets on the sides, 2 standard slash pockets in the front, and 2 patch pockets in the back. That's more than enough space for your wallet, phone, keys, tools, you name it. These are made for guys who need to carry gear and don't want to rely on a bag for the basics. And it doesn't stop there. These pants are equipped with a heavy-duty zipper fly and a solid butt enclosure, both details that show Wrangler is serious about longevity and everyday wear. Plus, the waistband is a Hollywood style, meaning it offers that little bit of extra support while still fitting smoothly around the waist, especially handy if you like wearing a belt. In terms of care, it's as easy as it gets. Just throw them in the machine. They're imported, but don't let that fool you. The construction feels reliable and made to last. Whether you're out hiking, working in construction, or just want something durable for daily wear, these cargo pants are designed to handle it all. Another cool point to note: even with the rugged build, the straight leg design gives them a cleaner, more classic look. That means you could wear them to a casual dinner and not feel underdressed. It's that rare mix of functionality and style that makes these stand out. If you're looking for a reliable pair of multi-pocket, durable, comfortable cargo pants that don't sacrifice on looks, the Wrangler Authentics Relaxed Fit Stretch Cargo Pant absolutely delivers. It's practical enough for rugged use and stylish enough for daily wear. That's why we confidently say this is the best cargo pants men multi-pocket durable option available right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another deep dive into gear that gets the job done. See you in the next one.